Sam never saw it coming. One moment, everything was perfect. The late night calls, the sweet text, the feeling of being loved by someone who seemed like his forever. And then, just like that, it was over. A simple text, a quiet conversation. Alex walked away, leaving him alone with nothing but silence. At first, it didn't feel real. Sam stared at his phone, rereading the last messages over and over, searching for a different meaning. But deep down, he knew it was over. And now? Now he was alone with nothing but memories and a heart that felt too heavy to carry. But what if I told you? This breakup is the best thing that will ever happen to Sam. The first few days were unbearable. He couldn't eat, couldn't sleep. Everywhere he went, something reminded him of Alex. The songs they listened to, the cafe they always went to, the scent of her perfume still lingering on his hoodie. His mind became a battlefield. What did I do wrong? Was I not enough? Could I have saved it? If you've ever been here, you know this feeling. It's like drowning in memories, gasping for closure that never comes. But here's the truth. The pain you feel is proof that you loved deeply, and that means you have the capacity to love again, even stronger. One night, after scrolling through old pictures for the 100th time, something hit Sam. He had spent so much time being Alex's boyfriend that he forgot what it felt like to just be Sam. This breakup wasn't just about losing her, it was about losing himself. And for the first time, he wasn't just mourning the relationship, he was mourning the parts of himself he had let fade away. That's when everything changed. Sam made a decision. If I have to start over, I'm going to build the best version of myself. First, he faced the truth. He had put so much energy into the relationship that he forgot about his own dreams, his own happiness. So, step by step, he started rebuilding. He picked up old hobbies, playing football, learning guitar, running in the morning, just because it made him feel alive. He reconnected with friends, the ones he had unintentionally drifted away from. He started hitting the gym, not to impress anyone, but because he wanted to feel strong again. And most importantly, he started enjoying his own company. Because once you learn to love being alone, you'll never settle for someone who doesn't add to your happiness. Here's what Sam learned. Not every love is meant to last forever, and that's okay. Some people come into your life to teach you something, and their chapter in your story has to end for the next one to begin. You don't need closure to move on. Sometimes the real closure is realizing that you deserve better. The right person will never make you feel like you have to prove your worth. The right love will feel safe, effortless, and mutual. Sam realized that love isn't about chasing someone who doesn't see your value. It's about becoming someone who never settles for less than they deserve. Months later, something incredible happened. Sam didn't just move on, he leveled up. He became happier, more confident, more focused on his goals. One day, while walking through the city, he saw Alex again. But something was different. There was no pain, no anger, just peace. Because Sam had finally realized he never needed Alex to feel complete. He was whole all along. If you're going through a breakup, listen to this. This isn't the end of your story. This is your beginning. Right now, you're in the middle of the pain. But soon you'll look back and realize this was the moment that changed everything. The moment you stopped chasing the wrong love and started becoming the best version of yourself. So take a deep breath. Focus on yourself. Because the love you're meant for, the life you're meant for, is still ahead of you. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And remember, your best chapter is still unwritten.